Y'all, welcome back to Doing It with Tyronzia. So today, I posted a video. Well, I posted in my group on Facebook, and the name of my group is Canva for Profit. So I posted in my group that I had made a flyer and a QR code for one of my customers. So one of the ladies asked, how can she make her own QR code? So I'm going to show you really, really quick. So you want to go to Create a Design. Okay, then you go to custom size. Here, you're just going to do 1080. 1080 is going to give you a perfect square. You're going to just do create new design. Okay, got to give it a second to load up. My Wi-Fi ain't Wi-Fi in the day. Go to the left side, go down to apps right here. Then you're going to do QR code. Click on it. It's going to bring up all the apps that offer QR codes. We're going to just click on this first one. Okay. And you see right here, it says add a URL. So I think I already copied mine. Let's see if I copied it or not. I have not. Okay, I have not. So I'm going to go to my website. Control C. Go back to Canva. And I'm going to go to Control V. There it is. Generate code. There is my QR code for my business, right? But you know, we gotta be a little fancy. My business colors are pink, such a girl. So I'm just gonna back it up with pink, because just to make it cute for me. There you have it. In less than 2 minutes, I have my own QR code. What can I do with this QR code? Put it everywhere. Put it everywhere instead of telling people, go to www.the. No, baby. Scan my QR code. It'll take you right there on your phone. Go ahead and purchase you one of those nice motivational t-shirts. Go ahead and purchase that. If I were going to a pop-up, I would simply make me a very cute stand where they can go to my website and make orders. I would do one for my Instagram, one for my Facebook business page, one for my YouTube channel, whatever, y'all. You can make a QR code so they can just scan it, go right to it on their phone. How awesome is that? How awesome is that? Go make you a QR code. That was so fast, so easy, so quick. Go do it, girl. Bye.